Yesterday we have studied the construction about the angles and definition about the angles, and I had given the some work to you people to construct the angles, some angles. So I am very sure that you have constructed the given assignment. Now again we will use the same topic, construction of the angle. So let's construct the angle 45 degree with the compass. How the angle 45 degree is constructed? By using compass. So I have told you that firstly to construct any angle, firstly you have to draw an initial line, that is also known as base line. So take scale and draw a line segment, that is initial line. You can give the name of yourself, whatever you like. So I have given the name of this line, initial line or base line is what? AB. Any confusion? So firstly you have to draw the line AB, and then after take this one is the common point. At point A you have to draw the arc with the compass. So this is the compass, you know very well. And then after take circular arc, after taking this, the tip of the compass must be lying at common point that we have taken A. And while fixing this pencil, the level of tip of the leg and tip of this pencil or marker should be same. It will be easy to construct draw the arc. Then after, put the leg of the compass here at A by taking certain arc. By taking certain arc, draw arc like this. So this one is what? 0 degree. This one is what? 0 degree. This one is 0 degree here. 0 degree, and then after we have to construct the angle 45 degree. And if you multiply it 45 degree, it means what? 45 degree by multiplied by 2 means what? 90 degree. It means 45 is the half of 90 degree. So to construct 45 degree compass, first you have to construct the 90 degree angle. And you know that 90 degree angle is lying between 120 degree and 60 degree. 120 degree and 60 degree. Understand? So first we have to draw the arc 60 degree, and then after 120 degree. So put the leg of this compass at 0 degree here and draw the arc like this. Intersect the arc. This is the 60 degree. This one is the how much? 60 degree. To remember only you have to know this one is the 60 degree when you perfect first, and then after this one 120 degree, and then after again it will work like this same. So this one is what? 180 degree. So to construct 45 degree, firstly you have to draw the angle 90 degree, and don't disturb this compass. The measurement must be same till 45 degree angle is not constructed. So again put the same at 60 degree here, draw the arc here, and 120 degree also. 120 degree also. This intersection of the both arc, this point, this is what? 90 degree. That is the angle point, and then again take the scale, match this point, and here this one is the center point, this one is the angle point. Draw the dotted line. While drawing dotted line, here must be intersected. Only like this. Here must be intersect. Dotted line must be intersected the arc. So this angle is what? 90 degree. This angle is what? 90 degree. And I told you 45 degree is the half of the 90 degree. So this is the 90 degree. 90 degree at circumference of an arc from 0 degree. यहाँ पर फिर 90 degree है. Same compass पर फिर क्या है? Chord है. 0 degree like this and from 90 degree like this. Intersected. This intersecting point of the both are in the point of angle of 90 degree. So again draw like this. Major point, center point and angle point like this. Draw a line center like this. This is what? 45 degree. With the name C. So here, therefore, angle BAC equal or you can write same angle CAB equal to almost 45 degree. यहाँ ये उत्तर लेकर वाला एंगल 45 डिग्री जोड़ करना पाएगा ठीक है ये यही पॉइंट में तीन और एंगल में से तो 90 डिग्री को दो ये C A B पॉइंट ये वाला ये 45 डिग्री में ये एंगल देर करना पड़ेगी इतना लेकर देर करना पड़ता है ना उन्हें पॉइंट में भी ये उतना बंदा पड़ी एंगल बने को सामने my dear students you have to write the name of angle by using 3 letters. So I think in this construction you have no any problem. So in this way we have constructed 45 degree angle. And now let's see again 90 degree. How to construct angle 90 degree? 90 degree. 90 degree. So very simple. To construct any angle, first of all you draw the base line that is the initial line like this, and give the name yourself that is PQ. And then after at point P, you have to draw the arc by taking certain arc to compass like this. Like this, and then up from 0 degree, 60 degree, again from 60 degree, 90 degree, again from 60 degree, for take off, draw the arc, take off, like this, again from 120 degree, like this. This is what? The intersection of both of arc is what? 90 point up, angle point up, 90 degree. This is the 90 degree. And then after draw the line. This is the 90 degree. Yes. So 90 degree side like this. So the 90 degree. Put the name here PQ R and then write the angle QPR or angle RPQ equal to 90 like this. You have to construct the angles. Yes. So at home you have to do the work, construct the following angles. Construct the following angles. Construct the following angles. That is A 30 degree, B 45 75 degree, C 60 degree, D 75 degree, E 90 degree, F 105 degree, D 120 degree. So you have to construct such angles. You have any problem, then you can consult your teacher also. Yes. So this much you have to do. This is the work of today. You have to do at home. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you so much.